Hi everyone, my name is Star Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL. In this video, we are going to see how we are able to convert the number into percentage value with ease. Now you can see 50, the expected result will be 50%. 13 will become 13%. So this whole block, I want to use this special button. If I click, ta-da! This whole thing changes into percentage. Let's see how you're able to achieve this in this video. I'm going to show you how you're able to get this thing done with this. Very first step, I go to View and Macro. Click on the lower half. You choose the record macro and you type convert to range. I do not use any special character, any special symbol between them, and no spaces between the words. I'm going to store this macro in this workbook without any shortcut key. If you like to have a shortcut key, you can assign it later. So once I'm done, I press OK. Immediately after that, we go back to the macro, the same place, and stop recording. The intention of this thing is we are able to create a holder for this macro. So I click on the upper half, you will see convert to range, and I choose edit. The wording between the sub and end sub, you are safe to remove them, so to keep the thing clean. So I'm going to paste it. This is the code we are going to get the selection done and change it to percentage withhold this thing. Now let's see how it works here. I want to get the special button on my quick access toolbar. To get this thing done, I click on the customize quick access toolbar and choose more commands. Inside here, I will use macro. You will see there's something called convert to range, and I want to store this one for this file only. So you will see convert to range. I click add, and when this is selected convert to range, I click on the lower button. It says modify. This is the time we can change the button as we change the icon appearance as well as the display name. In the display name, we can have a space or special symbol in between them to make it easier to read. Now I'm done. I say this is convert to range and press OK. You will see the whole thing convert to range. Once I'm done, I press OK. You will see a brand new button appears here. So I just select half of it. Then I click on this button. You will see, ta-da! This whole thing done. To make the thing even interesting, I've select 2 and continue with the 2 normal numbers. It will skip those reformatted into percentage. And click, ta-da! This is you are able to get this thing done easily. To keep this file, you want to save this file as a macro enabled workbook so that your macro is redone, so you are able to carry around together with this file. If you find this video is useful and benefiting to you, remember to share and like this video so that your friends and colleagues, they will be appreciated for your help to share this video and they are able to benefit from this as well. And my name is Star Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL.